This is Avantika. She's the founder of a fun t-shirt brand called Unfiltered. It's small, like really small.
अपना टाइम आएगा.
She started this thinking she'll have creative freedom, money, and will be the boss. But now she Googles why Meta ads hate her so much.
I'm manifesting it.
She's the founder and sales manager, social media strategist, and occasionally customer support.
Yes, my model should was my last shred of sanity.
She has just 300 followers, zero ad budget, but shoots campaigns like she's on Volt's call sheet.
On my fourth coffee and 12th breakdown. Oh!
Support small business, cause someday there is an Avantika running a brand, fighting the Instagram algorithm, and her overthinking brain all at once.
Please order.
Prepaid, okay? Because they add extra 5 days to my mental peace.